Alright guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go all around the A building, because it's the most haunted building in this school. There it is. Time to face my fears. I hear voices. This is the A building. Alright guys, I'm in it. What the fuck? Where's the door to this? What the fuck? So I'm in the most haunted building restroom. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna go back to the auditorium. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to the other side of the A building. That light just turned off. This is the third floor to the A building. What the fuck? The lights are blinking. The fuck? Alright, I don't feel safe. I'm gonna go back to band class. Oh my god. These are the doors to auditorium. Wait a second, what the fuck? Bro, it looks like there's a person at the back. Unless it was just me. I'm gonna open it. Shit. Alright. It's scary. I hear weird noises in the back. Oh, time to go back to the band hall.